Hello, good morning, afternoon, night time, and welcome to SDC round 2 practice day on the Saturday. We're in the E46, that's all I've really got to say. First run out, I think it's still single runs just now, but the day's on for 4 hours, so back tyres are at 48, big corner, we'll see how we get on actually. I'm intrigued as to see how this goes round the big corner. But yeah, enjoy the video. So the first run was a good wee sort of shakedown. Second run, obviously, the guy in front span a couple of times, which wasn't great, but I think I've got too much grip in this, just struggling to get to that wide outside line. That or go a lot faster, but yeah, let's do one more run and then we'll try it and try and see if we can get out to that wide line. I think no handbrake, I just need to clutch kick it in really late and pedal. That might end up putting the tyre pressures back up, we'll see. That was better. Faster. I still need to go faster again. And remember that I've got a clutch to kick for the third clip because I was way off it. But yeah, just speed as fast as I can possibly go and clutch kick it a bit just to keep it up in third gear. Yeah, I'll give it a go this time. So we have a 2GZ S13 in lead. We'll actually see if we can chase this. He should definitely be faster than me, so I'm sure he'll get away from me, but you never know. Yeah, he'll probably definitely get away from me. the smoke there and my armrest got in the way. Struggling to get it into whatever I was trying to do, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go and put some tyre pressure in these. We're just burning tyre here for no reason.
Did it? I didn't even notice because obviously I'm not the one feeling it. Where did it cut out?
Just through the middle.
Aye, aye.
They've changed the clipping points now, so clipping point 2 is a bit later. Number 3 is non-existent now, which was the one I was struggling with, which is good. And then just the rest are normal, but what it is with this, it just keeps cutting out. As soon as I come round the as soon as I come round the back and come through the middle, it just cuts out. Only sometimes. Don't know if it's a fuel issue, but I've got like a half a tank in it, so I'm not quite sure what the issue is. Just have to keep driving it and hope that it doesn't happen, even though it keeps happening. But hey ho, we'll probably just stay in the chase queue for the rest of the day. Try and get a bit closer to people. I need to be more keen on the start. I keep holding off thinking folk are kind of slow through the cones and they're not, so I just need to keep it mashed and try and stay as close as I can. We'll give it a whirl on this one. Not sure if this fuel starvation cutting out, pretty certain it's fuel, is something to do with how I've put the tank back in. I mean, all the hoses are back on, but maybe I've kinked something, I don't know. So yeah, I've put more fuel in it. We're now at 3/4 of a tank almost. We're at a half, so pass. I can't take the tank back out tonight, that's for sure. It's not a 2-minute job. Could maybe drop it on the floor, but I can't be bothered with that. It's just hassle. Don't know. Do another chase, see how we get on. It's always at the end of the day where you start to get the hang of how to actually drive your car. Another really good run with this guy. Don't know who he is, but that guy. Yeah, 3 litre E46, same as mine. Mega. I wish I could have done this at the start of the day and I wouldn't have been so annoyed. Mind you, we fixed the fuel by putting fuel in it, even though it's way above a half. Who knows? I dropped the tyre pressures a wee bit. It was funny actually, because somebody had asked, oh, can I get a shot of your tyre pressure gauge? And just got a key and I'm poking it in the valve and counting to 10. Yeah, you know, all these race car drivers with their fancy tools. But I think it's meant to finish at 3, but I just keep joining the queue, so we'll see how many more laps we can get. I'm going to do a lead because this guy just done a lead, so I don't know if I'll be with him or with somebody else, but we'll see.